Hi, I'm Bob Helbing. I'm president of Air-Tro Heating and Air Conditioning. One thing commercial clients want is they want their headaches to go away. They want to know that when they call you, you'll get out there, you'll get to work, you'll get the job done. We have 25 service technicians, all EPA certified. Most of them have the NATE certificate as well, showing that they have expertise in working on heating and air conditioning systems. We'll take care of small ductless split systems all the way up to chillers, centrifugals, cooling towers, any of the equipment that you'll find in commercial industrial locations. We've always made sure that commercial work has been at the heart of what we do. Our technicians are trained and skilled in working in pretty much every type of equipment out there. We have relationships with all the distributors that allows us to get what we need when you need it.